So hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be doing a CSS tutorial. I'm going to be doing this very quickly. You won't understand a lot. Yep, let's go. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the screen, paper, let's just ignore paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. Why we use CSS? CSS is used to define styles for your web pages, including the design, layout, variations in the display for different devices and screen sizes. So this is a code. So this is the code. So I don't want to show the demo yet. That will be soon. That will be soon in this channel. CSS solved a big problem. HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a web page. HTML was created to describe the content of a web page, like this is a heading, this is a paragraph. When tags like font and color attributes were added to the HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites where fonts and colors and color information were added to every single page became a long and expensive process. For example, I think that time a fully backend app was 4K with version 3.2. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, created CSS. CSS removed the style format for the HTML page. Means the prices were down, and it instead cost 1K. CSS saves a lot of work. The style definitions are normally saved in external.css files. Yep, these are called .css files. With an external style sheet file, you can change the look for the entire website by changing just one file, like here's code, and then in a single file you can complete the code. So thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button, and thanks for watching again. As always, bye.